How's it going? This is Sean Hayes. I'm part of the RedBull Global Sport Program. We're here for our surfing athletes and just doing some air awareness. We have a really great coach from the ski team in Canada, old freestyle aerialist skier, and super familiar with how bodies work once they get in the air and the mechanics and how you can actually slow time down in your mind. So we have a handful of some of our best RedBull athletes that here learning as much as they can in a controlled environment at O₂ SURFTOWN MUC. So danke everyone, and maybe we'll see you in the future.
RedBull Air Can in Munich. Here's the king of Munich.
Whoa.
Glatzer.
RedBull Air Awareness Camp, and we're here at the O₂ SURFTOWN. Everybody's sending it. Pretty good time to be alive. I'm calling Mason home.
Big thing, I'm not sure how, but a few casualties.
Yo guys, yo. Finished? We switched to the other group?
Yeah.
In front of you, and but you were better, like you were more scared.
Eu mandei um ferrotão na primeira. É isso.
É isso aí.
É.
Pô, tu mandaste bem.
Agora a gente tá como é?
Single Air.
Single Air. É boa também. Dá pra... Eu resumo que você dá pra dar 2 manobras antes dela. E mandar o aéreo. E também dá um tempo bom pra acelerar. Mas se você acelerar muito, a gente fica meio gorda. Mas... A primeira é melhor, acho que é o melhor lift que tem, a primeira onda. Tem que dar o aéreo e...
Good ones. Look.
I go 4.
Yeah, cool.
Then you surf left.
Yeah. Good luck, my brother.
I ask if he wants to surf to left, and then I can surf to right.
No.
That's the plan.
So good. Just a little bit cold. I got holes in my booties.
Oh, no way.
So all the cold water's stuck in there. My best wave, I reckon I did like a good like straight air to a full row or 270. It felt pretty nice.
This is the RedBull Air Camp. This is how we train for learn how to do better airs and get our get knowledge in the air. Actually, it's a little mix between pool and trampoline, so let's keep secret, but doing really good. Now I'm trying to get a faster rotation, higher airs.
Ele estava se falando de PU ontem, hoje trocou para epox, né? A água é doce, então a flutuação é diferente. E aí, enfim, hoje ele tá pump aí, tá surfando pra caramba, dando vários aéreos. Agora tá na seção da direita, já acertou 2. E é isso, marradão. Tô orgulhoso do meu atleta.
Ui! Ui, ui, ui!
Sorry guys, finished. We switched to the other group.
Don't know.
You.